Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The hog taste is, it likes stool. That means it can accept any damn food stuff, even up to stool. That is hog's life. And human life? No. Why should you accept? You just have nice fruits, flowers, grains, and vegetables, and prepared from milk product, and eat it. God has given you this. Why should you eat stool? This is human consciousness. So when better food is available, I must take the best food, full of vitamins, full of taste, full of energy. Why should I take something else? No, that is human intelligence. Therefore, our program is that we offer Krishna the best food stuff. Krishna says, give me this food stuff. What is that? Patram pushpam phalam toyam jumi bhakta prajicchit. Tadaham ashrami. If you call a guest, you should ask him, my dear friend, what can I offer you? You like to eat? So if he says, give me this thing, I shall be very much pleased. That is your duty to give it. Similarly, people may ask that why I cannot offer meat to Krishna. No, Krishna does not say. Krishna does not want it. Krishna is mentioning in the Bhagavad-gita that you give me patram pushpam phalam toyam jomi bhakta prajachit. You give me vegetables, give me fruits, give me grain, give me milk, nice water, nice flower, nice tulsi. Tadaham asnami. I eat that. Krishna, God, he can eat anything. Because he is God. He is all powerful. But he is asking to the devotees, give me these things. So we offer Krishna these things, prepare varieties. That is our intelligence. You can make varieties, just like one milk. You can prepare 50 different kinds of preparation from milk. At least. So many varieties. In New Vrindavan, we are keeping cows. That is an example. And the cows are giving milk, delivering milk, double than other farmers. Why? Because the cows know that these people will not kill me. They are not in anxiety. Suppose you are engaged in some work, and if you know that after 7 days I will be killed, can you do the work very nicely? No. Similarly, the cows know in the Western country that these people giving me very nice grains and grass, but after all they will kill me. So they are not happy. But if they are assured that he will not be killed, then they will give double milk. Double milk. That is stated in the Shastra. During Maharaja Yudhishthir's time, the cow's milk bag was so filled up that in the pasturing ground they are dropping, and the whole pasturing ground became moist, muddy with milk. The land used to be muddy with milk, not with water. That was the position. Therefore, cow is so important that we can get nice food, the milk. Milk is required every morning. Huh? But what is this justice? That after taking milk from the animal and kill it. Is that very good justice? So it is very, very sinful. And we have to suffer for that. And they are stated in the Shastras that if you do this sinful act, you'll go to this kind of hell. There are descriptions in the 5th canto.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,